Okay, so a fifth week of running. Um, Today is January 25th, so a light recovery run today, followed by the speed run Tuesday, another speed run on Thursday, long recovery run on Friday, and the long run on Saturday. It's gonna rain all week, but surprisingly sunny today. But it's quite windy, and the wind chill is not so fun. But that's why I'm wearing a pretty thick hoodie. It's not very light when it comes to running, but I'd rather be cold. Plus, I don't want to be cold. Plus, it's a really light recovery run, so I don't need to run fast anyways. I'm just gonna jog lightly. I also brought out my gloves. I don't know if I'll wear them yet. My hands doesn't feel too cold, but we'll see. Yeah, really light recovery. Looking ahead at the week, so should be fun. Oh, that run did not feel good at all. It was a little 2.3 miles ish, 20 minutes probably, and 8:30 pace. It was just running against the wind a lot, and that didn't feel great. And I didn't have a big lunch, so I was feeling a little hungry and out of energy mid run as well. But just getting in some miles and bound to have some tough runs, so it's okay. Maybe it's just having a rest day kind of throws off the rhythm a little bit, and we'll take the week to build that up again. So it's alright. Looking forward to a run tomorrow. Hopefully it's not going to rain, and hopefully the wind is not as gusty as this. It is January 26th, 2021. It's a Tuesday, so it's speed run today, but it might rain today. It's a light drizzle right now, but a light drizzle's not gonna hurt anyone, so I'm still gonna go out for a run. I'm gonna do this run around my neighborhood block, which is a half a mile lap or loop. So if it ever gets raining too hard, I can always come home mid-run, but I'll try to stick this one through. It's very cold, but the wind isn't as bad as yesterday, so hopefully the run will be a little better. And if I warm up a little more, I'll probably ditch the jacket, but it is quite cold, so that might not happen. But yeah, a tempo run today, 12 minutes of hard running, and then 11 minutes of trying to cover the same distance that you ran in the first 12 or more, which is a really fun concept, so looking forward to it. Hopefully this run will go smoothly. Oh my god, that was a painful run. Like 3.5 miles and a little under 8-minute pace, but it was just really cold. Just light drizzles, nothing, no hard rain, but my extremities never warmed up. Like my fingers almost lost their feelings by the end of the run, and my knees and my shin was getting really cold, but my core felt really warm, so it didn't worry me too much. I just got really hard towards the end. It's a progression run, so I have to keep getting faster and faster. I'll put like a little pace chart over here, but I started around maybe 8-minute pace and I ended up around 6:30, so that was just really difficult. I got really out of breath in the end, and I was kind of racing myself because in the first 12 minutes I ran a mile and a half, and then in the last three I was also shooting to run. In the last 11 minutes, I was also shooting to run 1.5 miles. So yeah, I kind of got a little too competitive with time and myself, so I was pushing really hard towards the end. But it was a great workout. I cannot wait to go home, take a hot shower, get some fluids in, and then rest for the rest of the day. No running tomorrow, and back again on Thursday with a speed run. Hopefully it's not gonna rain me out. Okay, so it's Thursday today, and I don't know how well the camera can capture the rain, but it is pouring out right now. It's in the afternoon. I was actually thinking about going out for a run maybe 20-30 minutes ago, and I'm glad I didn't make that decision and stay home. But I have about 20 minutes left until I have to go through a meeting, so I'm thinking just stay home and do some jump ropes for the day. I'll do as many single skips as I can in 20 minutes, and then just to give myself a little bit of exercise when I'm not running. And for this week, um, I'll see. I prefer not to run on Sunday, but if I can, I'll have to make the decision to either just do 4 runs this week or run on Sunday. So we'll see. If I like the workout today, then I'll probably strike out 1 run, and yeah. Let me get this camera set up so it can see me doing jump ropes. Okay, that was 1500 jump ropes. I have this jump rope that auto counts for me. Oh, okay. I got rid of the you can't see on the jump rope, but that was a lot. That was probably the most I've done in a while. Usually I come out for like 500-600 just to warm my body up a little bit, but that felt pretty intense. My arm was feeling it the most because I was constantly swinging, and I don't go through that motion too much anymore. But it felt great. It was a solid workout, so I'm probably gonna cancel the run, cancel the speed run I was supposed to be today, because plan's supposed to be flexible anyways, and weather is not something I can plan for. So yeah, it's my plan, so I get to do whatever I want. But usually I love the rain. I always, whenever it's raining, I always come outside and sit on this chair and read and listen and watch the rain, and it's really relaxing. But running is probably the only time it gets in the way with in my life. So yeah, the rain should stop tomorrow. It'll come back a little bit next week, but we'll talk about that then. And recovering run tomorrow and a long run on Saturday as usual. So look forward to those. Okay, so it's I forgot to wear my watch, but I think it's January 30th. It's Friday, so light recovery run today. It's a beautiful day. The rain is gone, and it's a little cloudy now, but it was quite sunny earlier, so the ground is all dry, so that's very nice as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna go out and run. Not gonna put any baggage on this run, and just to enjoy myself a little bit. It's very nice to be able to go out on a day like this after a week of schoolwork and to relax a little bit. So looking forward to it. 30 minutes, so probably a little over 3 miles, which is a great distance. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Oh, that was a great run. 3.7 miles at 8:30-ish pace. It was actually a little faster than I thought, and I was feeling a little bit heavy before or during the run because I had lunch maybe a little less than 2 hours ago, so I was feeling a little heavier on the run, and yeah, that wasn't too pleasant, but it was still nice trying to it was still nice getting out the door and running and shake off all the tiredness from sitting in front of the desk the whole week. So that was nice. A long run tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, the same 10K as last week. So yeah, running it last week gives me a little more confidence to do it strong this week. So shooting for maybe 8-minute pace, 8-minute per mile pace for 10K, which is really solid for me. Okay, so it's January 30th, pretty early in the morning, going out for my long run under the 10K. I'm gonna run the exact same route as I did the last time I ran it. So yeah, nothing special about this run really. Feeling a little bit sluggish and not too energetic. It's probably because I got out of bed not too long ago, but also maybe it's been after a week of hard training and school. So not feeling the most energetic, but we'll see again after I stretch, and after a few minutes in, I should feel a lot better. Okay, ready for my run. It's a pretty chilly morning, so it's perfect for running, and just really nice weather all around. Beautiful morning. So I'm so excited for this run. The warm up felt great, so I'll see how I feel a few minutes in. Okay, I'm back from the run. 6.4 miles, 8:10 pace-ish. It was great. I started around 8:45 and then had a negative splits up to around 7:45 the last mile, which is really great. It felt good running progressively faster. So it was an amazing start to the day. I feel like the biggest thing out of my day is gone by 9 a.m. So I can go home and do the things that I want to do. But what else? I'll do probably a recap later today and the end of the week here. Next week might be a little grim. There's rain Monday and Tuesday, so I'll have to plan my runs around that. Hopefully it won't be as bad as this past week. Yeah, that felt amazing. It honestly didn't feel like a long run. It felt really easy. Yeah, I don't know. It definitely felt a lot easier than last time, and I started a new audiobook. Maybe that was distracting me, but still, it's glad to see myself getting stronger and stronger on my runs, and hope to see if I can run my half marathon at this pace too. Okay, so it's a few hours after my long run and feeling very covered, and it's good to have the biggest thing in my day out of the way at about 9 in the morning. But here is my week in review. So only 4 runs this week, so one less than the previous 4 weeks, but the mileage is 16 miles, which is not bad. I think it's the second most, a drop of 4 miles from last week. But had I done my speed run, I'll probably end up around 18. So it still wouldn't have been last week. Average pace was quite fast though. I had an average pace of around 8:16, I want to say, which is quite fast. It's a lot faster than I had expected and a lot faster than what I have been running. I'm not sure why. I think it's a combination of a fast long speed run, and me doing pretty well on my long run today. But besides that, it's a pretty ordinary week. The rain gave me some trouble, but it looks very sunny now, so I think California is gonna regress back to its mean and start raining very few times a week from now on. But next week we'll have 2 wet days, and I'll try to sneak in my recovery run and one of my speed runs in there. But the rest of the week is dry, so I should have a pretty easy time. And yeah, the jump rope on Thursday, was it, really helped too. I think I'll try to incorporate that a little more into my workout plan, and it kind of served as a purpose of a recovery from my tough runs too. So yeah, it was a great week in running. I'll look forward to the next.